Guys, just a quick late winter update on some of my Eugenias. Have a new one in the mix, Eugenia Candeliana, I think it is, the little rainforest plum. Only had that for a few weeks, so it was a reasonable size when I got that. Some new growth coming out, so it's a new one in the mix. There's my Lucuma seedling next to that. Another little one down there and a white sapote seedling. And then we go on to the Eugenia Rapunda. Looking pretty good there. Let's put on and get that in focus. There's been a few new flushes of growth, there's still more coming. See down there the red growth on it. And the Salcutta as well is looking pretty good. It's had some new growth, some leaves coming out there. Come out nice and red. Luke's Garcinia there, doing okay. It's been a bit cold, so not much has happened to it. My intermedia has majorly soaked. Dropped most of its leaves, gone very pale, even dying back on a few of the limbs. But we'll see how that goes. It's starting to warm up now, so hopefully it bounces back. I did end up changing the potting mix out a bit because I thought that might have been part of the problem, so hopefully come spring it takes off. And there's my Patanga tuber. It's had a heap of new growth as well. See even more coming out as we go. Some more shoots out there. And there's a bit of fresh new growth. This is the one that flowered. The other one in the ground's pushing a bit of growth as well, but this is by far the bigger one. So yeah, it's just this little section, my potted plants. I've recently just done an order, so hopefully have some new ones on the way soon. Alright, thanks for watching.